Hello guys, I'm back. I miss you too guys. How's everyone doing? I hope everyone doing good. Today I'm going to making beef ribeye salad guys. And I'm going to use 340 gram beef ribeye. And right now I'm going to seasoning the steak first guys. I'm going to add half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon garlic, half teaspoon beef flavor, and 1 tablespoon sesame oil. Going to mix it well first guys, and leave it the steak for 15 minutes first guys. Right now I'm going to grill the steak first guys. You can grill your steak medium rare or well done, but for me, for my steak, I like a little bit well done guys. I'm going to flip it one more time. Okay, it's good already. I'm going to take it out guys, and leave it for 5 minutes first. And I'm going to use 2 pieces baby cucumber, 1/4 cup mince, and 1/4 cup cilantro, and 4 ounces cherubs tomatoes, but I'm going to use only half guys, and 1 red onions. I'm going to cut it in half, so I'm going to use only half red onions, and 4 pieces red chilies. I cut it little pieces already. I cut everything little pieces already guys. And right now I'm going to slice it all the steak guys. I'm going to slice it all of them, and I'm going to put it in the bowl. I'm going to put everything in the bowl. And for the salad dressing, I'm going to use 1.5 tablespoon fish sauce, and 1 tablespoon soy sauce, and 2 tablespoon fresh lime juice, and tablespoon palm sugar or light brown sugar guys. Going to mix it well first. Right now I'm going to put cherubs tomato and red chilies. I'm going to mix it again a little bit. I make 2 different salad guys. One of them have chilies. This is the one have chili because I love to eat spices. And this is without chili. Let me try first guys. My steak I cook a little bit well done guys. So delicious. Remember guys, the reason I'm making the YouTube channel because I want to share my mom recipe to you. So please don't forget support my channel, okay? Thank you so much guys for watching and have a great weekend. Bye guys.